Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the stuff I got in this huge lot for free off of Facebook. So, here we go. So what I'm going to do is one by one take things out and then just show them off. So I'll just start with this bin here. Here is some sort of auto carrier. That's pretty neat. Here's a spotlight caboose. Here's an Amtrak car. Here's another Amtrak car. And I think this is the last Amtrak car of the lot. Here is a Lima Spirit of 76 locomotive. Here is, I think, a Tyco Union Pacific shell. Just got a truck. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Here's a Tyco Amtrak shell. Here's a Northern Pacific hopper car shell. Here's a Frisco boxcar. Here's a Tyco Conrail shell. Here is some sort of broken house. I don't know what that could be used for. Here's a complete Union Pacific F unit. Here's a Tyco side flat car thing. Here's this Lima Spirit of 76 caboose. Here is a totally destroyed Tyco trolley, but it does have everything, so maybe we could get that to work. Here is a Bachmann Thomas. Here's some sort of war bonnet shell. I don't know who made it. Maybe Lionel or something. Here's a box of parts. Here's a nice new controller. I think I'm just gonna put all like the cars and stuff over there. Here's a bit of Bachmann Easy Track, and that's about it for the first box of this. That was just the small one. There's some other junk in there that I'll show right now. So, right in here, there's just some junk and parts and pieces that I might use for something. So yeah, that's that box, so now let's do this box. Okay, so now it's time to do the other box. I may stop momentarily for a bit if the washing machine starts to get loud again. So for now, I'll just start with doing this. I'll just get the biggest thing in here out of the way first. I'm just going to put it right back out of the way. It's a huge turntable. I'm going to just put it straight back in the bin. As well as this other interesting building here that needs a roof. I don't know what I will do with it, but maybe I'll do something with it. Here is some roofing for the building, or roundhouse, or whatever. Here it's just more parts of the roundhouse. There's some grass mat in here. Here's some Bachmann Easy Track. Some more Easy Track. And here's the last of the track. So now let's go through all this other stuff. There's whatever this thing is. I don't know what that's for. Here is a Tyco crane. Right here is a little Santa Fe switcher. It's also a Tyco. Here's another Tyco. It's a Burlington Northern boxcar. Here's, I think, an Athearn reefer. Here is an Athearn Canadian Pacific F unit. Here's an ATSF hopper. I think this is a Tyco or a Bachmann. Here's a cattle car. I'm pretty sure this is a Tyco or something. Here's probably a Tyco GP20 shell or something. Maybe I'll try and get some internals for that or something and get it working. I don't know how I'd do that. Here's another beat up Tyco trolley. Not as bad as the last one, but still pretty bad. Here's a Burlington root hopper with no wheels. Here's the Union Pacific Maintenance of the Way gondola. Here's a little tanker car. Here's just a little, I don't know what this is, rock car. Here's a Tyco Heinz car. Here is possibly a cattle car. Here's possibly the shell to that Northern Pacific hopper, or chassis. Here's another rock car thing. Here's another Tyco trolley shell. Maybe I'll replace the smashed orange one with that. Here's another Tyco crane. This one's missing its wheels though. Maybe I'll use that for something. Here's an ATSF caboose shell. And the last item of interest is probably this Maintenance of the Way caboose flat car. So that's everything. So I'll just give you an overview of everything. So in here at the bottom is just some of that junk and stuff. And the roundhouse, along with the Bachmann Easy Track. And all that's left in here really is some trees, some more roundhouse stuff, and some more random parts. But now, if we move over to here, here is the overview of all the engines and cars that I got. So, maybe quite a bit more restoration videos coming soon. This is going to be a lot of stuff, too. So, now let me see if we can go test them. Okay, so I've got all the engines I can test here. So I'm just going to do them in order of confidence that I have that they'll work. So, this one seems to light up, but it doesn't move. Let me test the other Tyco trolley now. I think possibly a similar thing will happen. This one sounds like it's moving, it's just seized, so that's going to be an interesting restoration. So now I think I'm going to move on to this interesting thing. think that's on the rails. Okay, so this one doesn't work either, so we're gonna have to restore that at some point. So next, I think I'll go with this. It just seems off. I don't think this one's gonna start. Now get this one on the track some power. So the light comes on, but the engine doesn't run, so it's probably something wrong with the bar on the top or something. Okay, so next let's try this little Tyco switcher, which obviously has some life in it, sounds like. So let's get it on the track. It looks like this one runs, but it's just a little noisy. So I might restore that off camera or something. And next, what I'm gonna do is test this F unit here. This one's either wired backwards from the other one, or just... This one seems to be a bit noisy, so I'm gonna have to fix that. It's also pretty slow. Okay, so last but not least is the Bachmann Thomas. This one runs pretty well, actually. I don't think I need to do anything at all to it. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.